My entourage is here, and the critics are over there. I'll put a link to what they think of my videos. Dogs, dogs, come here. Come on. Makar. Makar, no. All right. I am here with horse, a tree to test the grapple out with, and a spot of chain. I don't know what's going to be cooking here because this ground is incredibly wet. You can see how I really churned up some tracks there. I'll be in low and we'll see what happens, but this ground may be too wet to pull on. We'll find out in just a second. Fern! Oh no! Makar! Makar! The big problem with attaching it is all the briar. We'll now take the chain. Take the chain. Put it up on the center post. Start the tractor, put the bucket down and see what happens. Before I actually get the tractor and pull, this may not be a completely fair test because that branch that I'm hooked, or that trunk I'm hooked onto, is really a little bit bigger than what the specs call for. Well, let's see what it does. Pulled some bark off. I'm going to reset it. Yeah, as wet as it is, all I'm doing is digging a hole in the ground. So we're going to disconnect from this and we're going to try it another spot later. Dysfunctional vet out.